let's see if I can show you how to do this. First, hold down your trip button and turn on the motorcycle. As you do, we'll see if the diag pops up. It does. We see DIAG. So from here, we click it. ECM says Y, so there's a code for it. If you keep clicking through, it says BCM, Y, there's a code for it. And if we look, Speedo, no, ABS, no, and then we're back there. So let's click and hold up. It's going to do a diagnosis. P1608H. I'm going to take a photo of that one. Okay. And then when we hit this again, I'll hit end. Now from here we'll turn it off, and I want to check the other code too. Oh, so for that we click and hold again, click, should go back holding onto our trip button. That's how we get there. All right, diag says yes. Let's go to the BCM. We're going to click up on there. B2151H. Take another photo. I always like to take photos of these. All right. And then from there, we got two. They're probably all for low power, but I'll take a picture of B2156H as well. There's 156H and 151H. So you can see the little screen. As you can see, we go through here. ECMY, BCMY, and so as you can see, I'll show you how to clear them. We know there's one in the BCM, so we click and hold the trip. There's our code. Let's go ahead and again click and hold. See how it says clear? We're going to click and hold again, clear. ECM now has no code. BCM does. Let's go ahead and clear that one too. Again, just so you can see, click and hold. By doing so, there's our code. We go here again, we click and hold. It shows. We tap it and it clears. It gives us a PN. We click it again. Now the BCM has no codes. Let's double check. ECM no code, BCM no code, and then from there we go okay. And we know we're good. If you want to make it easier on yourself, go here. We'll click here. This is going to be loud, but we'll start it. No code. It's that easy.